The smart low light function can let you take a clear picture in low light or backlight situations.
Smart low light photo works only for zoom camera. To use smart low light function, take off the aircraft safely and keep it hovering. Enter the zoom camera view. Aim the target. Choose smart low light mode and take a photo. After finishing, you can tap playback and find those photos with smart icon tagged below. In the meantime, the smart low light photos will be synchronized with other team members via Flight Hub 2.